Hello guys, let's start with another reorder paragraph question. Firstly, we need to find the introduction sentence. Introduction sentence means which define the whole passage of the sentence or which give the exact idea of the passage. So let's start with A, the selective process. We don't know which process are they talking about. In the second, our body therefore. We can't start sentence with therefore. In the third, C, the brain is our most treasured possession, maybe our first sentence. And in the D, the barrier serves a vital role. We don't know which barrier are they talking about. And the E, it coordinates. We don't know it, which is it. Firstly, we need to define what is it. So we only left with C. This is our first sentence. C is our first. Brain is our most treasured possession. And after that, we need to find why brain is our most treasured possession. It is introduction in the E. Why brain is important? It is introduced in the E because it coordinates our movements, our words, our relationships, and the ability to pass our genes. It it is here referred to the brain. So this is our second sentence. Now we need to find the another one. Mhm. The selective process occurs due to proactive boundary known as blood-brain barrier. It coordinates our movements, but there is nothing is mentioned in the E which is related to anything barrier. First is C, and then is mm, E. Now we need to find the another. Our body therefore protects the organ fiercely. Then we have B. Which organ are they talking about? They are talking about brain. Firstly, the brain is our most treasured possession in the sea. Then E. It coordinates our movement. Why it is treasured possession? Because it coordinates our movements. And it coordinates our movement, and therefore the body protects organ fiercely. The organ here is the brain. This is our third sentence. Let me first clear the thing. First is this, then this is second, and the third is our body protects this organ. It protects brain. Why it protect? Because it coordinates our movements, our words, and relationship. Okay, now we are left with two. One is D and another is A. In the D, there is mentioned the barrier serves a vital role. Firstly, we need to find the barrier. In which sentence barrier is given? The barrier is given in the A sentence, which is at the end. The blood-brain barrier. And the last is this, the barrier. The barrier is referred in the first sentence, which is blood-brain barrier. This is blood-brain barrier. So this is our first sentence. The brain is our most treasured possession. Then second, why it is important? Because it coordinates our movement. And it coordinates our movement, therefore our body protects it. And then fourth in which they have given blood-brain barrier at the end, which is A. This is our fourth. And last one is the barrier. This is our fifth.